Earthquakes shake Santorini, schools closed. The Greek island of Santorini has had many small earthquakes. Because of this, schools are closed, and some people are leaving the island. Over 200 earthquakes happened in the last 4 days. The biggest one was 4.6 in size. Schools are closed on Santorini and nearby islands like Amorgos, Ios, and Anafi. People should not go to big indoor gatherings or busy ports. Greece's biggest airline, Aegean Airlines, has added extra flights to help people leave. However, the island's mayor says most people leaving are workers, not permanent residents. Santorini often has earthquakes because it is on a fault line. A big earthquake happened in 1956, followed by a tsunami. Experts say the current earthquakes are not connected to a volcano. Scientists say the earthquakes are moving away from Santorini. This means there is less risk of big damage. Question 1. Schools on Santorini and nearby islands because of the earthquakes. A. Close. B. Closed. C. Are closed. D. Were close. Question 2. What does the word fault line mean in the sentence below? Santorini often has earthquakes because it is on a fault line. A. A place where two pieces of land move and cause earthquakes. B. A road that has many cracks. C. A line between countries. D. A place where people feel safe during an earthquake.